How are you?
Pink.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Ruby, are you ready now to start with our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. All right, so Ruby, at this time, we're gonna have here our game first, okay? All right, so let's have here now. Okay, please wait for a minute. And teacher, we're gonna share to you, okay? All right. Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, Ruby, so we are going to talk about here the the parts, okay, here in the bathroom. Can you see it? Yes or no? Can you see? You see it?
No.
You cannot see?
Yes.
Wait, okay? How about now? Is that okay now?
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. It's okay?
Yes.
All right. Please wait. Okay, go please. Okay, go Ruby. We have here the towel, carpet. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, that's great. Toilet paper. Okay, very good. The soap. So you need to find the bathtub, the curtain, the sink, the curtain. Find the curtain. Okay, very good. That is a bathtub. Correct. Next, curtain. Correct. Sink. Ah, well. Okay. Oops. Plunger. Okay, correct. Shower. Yes. Okay, submit please. Okay, go. All right. Okay, thank you, Ruby. Wow, perfect. Is it easy?
Yes.
It's a very easy to answer.
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, so at this time, okay, so Ruby, so let's have here to our next part, okay? So are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to please look at this one and you need to tell me the differences, okay? All right. Okay, here now. Okay.
Okay.
Yuki, can you see? Can you see color white? You see
Yes.
color white?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here it is now. Please wait, it's a bit loading. What time do you wake up today?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
You wake up at 7 o'clock. Okay, so can you see it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, Ruby, so at this time, you will say like this, okay? Like, in my picture, the dinosaur has got a long tail. But in your picture, the dinosaur has got a short tail. Okay, Ruby, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, go. Please read. In my picture,
In my picture,
the dinosaur, number one,
the
the
dinosaur
dinosaur,
has got a long tail, but in your picture, the dinosaur has got a short tail.
yes. Okay, let's go to number two. Number two, please.
In my picture, there are two fish, but in your picture, there are three fish.
Yes, okay, very good. Correct. Next, please. Number
I-
three.
In my picture, there is a pineapple on the rock, but in your picture, there are bananas on the rock.
Yes, there are bananas on the rock. Okay, very good.
In my picture, the girl has got a map, but in your picture, the boy has got the map.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Great job. Next, please.
In my picture, the parrot is singing in the tree, but
Sitting. Sitting.
sitting in the tree, but in your picture is flying.
Mm-mm.
In my picture, there is a spider in the web under the tiger, but in your picture, there isn't.
Again. Okay, in my picture, there is a spider in the web under the tiger. Right, Ruby?
Yes.
But in your picture, there is a spider in the web above the
Above
tiger.
the tiger.
Okay, again, please. In my picture,
In my picture, there is a spider in the web under the tiger, but in your picture, there is a spider in the web above the tiger.
yes. Next, please. In my picture,
My picture,
in
there
my, in
in
my
my
picture,
in my picture, there are two red butterflies
with
with white
stripes.
stripe. But in your picture, there are two red butterflies with white spots.
Yes, okay, very good. Next, please.
In my picture, there is the tent is open, but in your picture, there is the tent is closed.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Ruby. So at this time, Ruby, so let's have here the next one. Okay, you will answer teacher's question, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Ruby. So what's in the boy's backpack? In my picture,
In my picture, the boy
backpack,
backpack has
a torch.
a torch, but in your picture, the boy backpack has a bottle.
Yes, very good. So, Ruby, what color is the sky?
I picture the sky is yellow, but in your picture, the sky is blue.
Correct. Ruby, how many stones are there around the fire? In my,
In my picture,
there are
there are
2 stones.
few stones around the
Fire.
fire,
But
but in your picture, there
there
are
are,
3 stones around the fire.
yes. Ruby, how many people are wearing hats?
There, in my picture, there
There are
there are 2 people are wearing hats, but in your picture, there is a person is wearing hat.
very good, Ruby. Ruby, where's the spider?
In my picture, the spider is under the tiger, but in your picture, the spider is above the tiger.
Okay. Ruby, is the coconut tree closer to the tent in the first picture? In my picture,
In my picture,
the coconut tree
the coconut tree
is not closer.
is not closer,
It is farther.
it is farther.
Yes, okay, very good. All right. Okay, Ruby. So at this time, so let's move on, okay? I want you to please make a question. You will make a question, Ruby, and then you will answer too, okay?
Yes,
Do you understand?
yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, please wait. Okay, this one. Ruby, can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Ruby, so we have here where and house. So Ruby, if you will make a question, you will say, where is Ben's house? Okay, go Ruby.
Where is Ben's house?
Where is Ben's house, Ruby? Ben's house.
Ben's house is in the city.
Yes, very good. Ruby, we have here who and lives. Let's say, who does Ben live?
Who does Ben live?
Ben lives
Ben live with his
his.
parents, his parent and his sister.
Yes, very good. Okay, how about how many? Okay, go.
How many rooms are there in Ben's house?
There.
There are 4 rooms.
Yes, very good. How about what an instrument? What kind
What kind
of instrument
of instrument
does
does
bands have
Ben have
in the house?
in the house?
What is your answer, UB? He has
As
what?
violin,
Again? He has violin.
violin.
One more time. He has violin.
He has violin.
Yes, very good. Next, please. Garden. Make a question. Does Ben have a
Does
garden?
Ben have a garden? No,
No, he doesn't.
he he doesn't.
He has.
He has a balcony.
Yes, very good. Next, please. How about neighbors and friendly Ruby? Try to make question. Neighbors and friendly. Are his neighbors friendly? Again, are
Are,
he
are his neighbor neighbor
friendly?
neighborhoods
No, no.
friendly?
Yeah, what is your answer? Are his
Yes,
neighbors friendly?
yes.
Yes,
Are they?
yes, they are. Again?
Yes, they are.
Okay, very good. So, Ruby, so let's move on. Let's talk about Lily's house, okay? And you will make a question. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, we have here where and house. Okay, go.
Where where is Lily's house?
Lily's house is in the.
Lily's house is in the countryside.
Very good. We have here who and lives. Who? Oh, who lives? Who lives
Who lives
with
with Lily?
Lily's
Lives with
house? What is your answer? Lily lives
Lily lives with
with.
parents and her brother.
Yes, very good. Okay. So how about how many rooms?
How many rooms are there in Lily's house? There are 3 rooms.
Yes, very good. Next.
What
What
kind of instrument Lily's have?
what instrument does Lily have? She has.
She has guitar and drums.
She has.
She has guitar and drums.
Okay. Next, please. Garden.
Does lilies have a garden?
Hmm. Does Lily have a garden?
Yes, she does.
Okay, very good. Okay. And how about neighbors and friendly?
Are neighbors friendly? Yes, they are.
Okay. Again, let's say yes.
They are.
Okay, very good. All right. Okay, you be. So let me ask you a question, okay? Okay, Ruby, let me ask you a question, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
How many rooms do you have, Ruby?
I have 5 rooms.
Okay. All right. And who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my sister.
Okay. All right. Ruby, what instrument do you have?
I don't have.
Okay. Ruby, do you have a garden?
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
All right. Now, Ruby, we are done. Thank you, Ruby.
Goodbye, teacher.